Should I build a website or build mobile apps?
Hey Tom, it's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. First I want to say congratulations on your YouTube channel. Everybody needs to follow your YouTube channel. So what everyone needs to do is subscribe to Tom Pang. Great guy, great person. Tom, keep up the great work.
If you're running a business and you want to take that business online, so you're probably thinking about building a website and you're probably thinking about building your own mobile app, right? Because Vietnam is a very mobile-centric country. Everybody has a mobile phone, and you think maybe you need to build a mobile app. So let me answer that question for you, all right? Both are important, right? But they have different uses. Again, in business, if you want to achieve certain goal, if you want to achieve, results, then you have to use the right tools. Website and mobile apps are different tools for different purpose. So allow me to explain. You build websites for many different reasons to achieve different results. And you build websites because you want to drive traffic to your website. You want to find new customers, and you want to drive sales by finding new customers that buy your product or services. So when you have a website, you can do search engine optimization, right? So you can try to rank high in Google. So for example, if you sell, let's say you're a dental office. Let's say you fix people's teeth, and and you create a website and you optimize your search engine placement ranking, and people search teeth cleaning and they find you in first page. That will drive more new business to your dental office, right? So you can do this for any type of business. If you sell shoes, you capture certain keywords in Google. When your customers, when your prospects, when people, consumers search for shoes, they find you on page 1 and they go to your website and they buy the product. That will drive new sales, right? So website is a very effective tool to drive new customers to your business. And you might ask, why do I need a website? There's Lazada, Shopee, Tiki, Sendo. There's a lot of marketplaces where you can put your products and services on those marketplaces and they will sell it for you. Well, actually, it's not quite like that. First of all, Lazada, Shopee, Tiki, Sendo, all those platforms, they have a lot of sellers. A lot of sellers, maybe 500,000 sellers. They have a lot of products, maybe hundreds of millions of products, right? So the chance of consumer finding your products in those platforms is very, very small, right? If you're not important, Lazada is not going to rank high in their search engine, right? If consumers search for your products in Lazada, they may not even find you, right? And even if they do, if they find your products in Lazada, now you're competing with so many other sellers. Let's say you sell mobile phones. Let's say you sell iPhone, all right? And but there's probably like 300 sellers selling iPhone. And what is the consumer going to do? The consumer is going to find the cheapest one, right? Or the one that they can deliver the fastest, right? It may not be you. They may not buy from you because on those platforms, there's a lot of competition. So that's why you need your own website. Because when you do marketing online, when you do marketing through Facebook, Google, you drive traffic, you don't want to drive to, those platforms. You want to drive traffic to your own website. When people go to your website, they only see your products. They only see your offerings. They don't see the competition, so they buy from you. And, it's also easier for people to go back to your website and buy products from you repeatedly because they know where you are at. Whereas it's more difficult to find you on Lazada or Shopee. And also, some platforms don't give you the customer information, right? Some platforms, they actually hide that information from you because they're kind of scared because they want to make commission from you. And if they give you the customer data, then you would just connect with the customer and, cut them out. Say, you'll call the customer and say, hey, don't buy through Lazada, just buy it directly from me. and then Lazada or Tiki or Sendo, they will lose their commission, right? So that sometimes they don't share that data with you. They don't share the customer information with you. That's another problem. Those are all good reasons why you should have your own website, but the primary reason is you want to drive new sales to your business through your website, because only with a website you can do search engine optimization. You can try to rank high in Google. When people search for your products or services, they find you, right? Website is for driving new sales. Now, why do you need a mobile app? Mobile app has a complete different use, all right? So you create a branded mobile app, which can be very expensive. If you go to a developer and say, I want to create a mobile app for my business, it could cost you anywhere from 100 million dong to 500 million dong or more, right? And but why would people do it? Again, Vietnam is a very mobile-centric country. Everybody has a mobile phone. You want to create a mobile app because when customers come into your store, you tell them, hey, you should install my mobile app. I will give you a special promotion if you install my app. And the customer install your app, right? And what happens is that when the customer install your app on the phone, that app is always on the phone. So whenever they open up their phone, they're gonna see your app. It's a constant reminder about your business. They always see your app, so they constantly are reminded of your business, which is good. If it's in their mind, the chance of repeat sales is much greater. So mobile phone is really for repeat sales. If you want your existing customers to come back and buy more from you, then you need mobile apps, because once they install the mobile app on their phones, they always see you. And not only that, once they install, you can now send them push notifications. So sometimes your phone goes bing, 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 right? There's notifications coming up. Somebody just sent you a message in yellow. Somebody just sent you a message here. Those are called push notifications. Your customer is like, bing, oh, you have a promotion this week on these products, or oh, you have a new product arrival, new products, or you can send them anything about your business. So again, they're constantly being reminded about your business, right? And which is a really good tool for driving sales from your existing customers. There's so much I want to cover. There's so much I can talk about, but I will stop here. But what I want to focus on in this video is that website is really for driving new sales, like finding new customers, driving new sales, because with website you can do search engine optimization, more new customers will find you. But you also need a strategy to get more sales from your existing customers, and that's where mobile apps are really useful, because again, when your customers install your app, it's always on their phone and you can send them notifications. There's way more to this. I can talk about this for hours and hours, but I will talk about them in future videos. Remember, website, new business, mobile app, existing customers. So both are important. You need the website to drive sales from new customers, and you need a strategy to get more sales, more orders, more business from your existing customers. You need both strategies in place if you want to truly grow your business. Take fucking action and don't be a fucktard.